Welcome Kasturians. In this video, we will discuss the concluding part of chapter 2, that is cities and writing. As we have already discussed about Mesopotamian culture, so we will carry forward with the same. Merchants, traders and landlords, artisans, craftsmen belong to the second class, whereas the members of the royal family, they belong to the upper class. The slaves, they belong to the lower class. Cows, goats, oxen and sheep were the main animals who were domesticated, and the ruler of Mesopotamia during the period of 2067 to 2025 BCE was Hammurabi, and he was known as Hammurabi the Great because of his contribution for the development of the civilization. The code of conduct introduced by Hammurabi was considered to be the greatest contribution of his. There were 282 codes in number and they covered almost every aspect of life. The Mesopotamian script was actually the cuneiform script, and the Mesopotamians, they were great patrons of literature also. Gilgamesh was the famous epic of Mesopotamians. It was the work of Uruk, who was the ruler of Mesopotamia in 2700 BCE. The Mesopotamians, they were mathematicians also. They were having very keen interest in mathematics. 60 important numbers have been found in the numerals. Babylonia had an important role in the history of Mesopotamia, and the Mesopotamian temples, they also had much importance in the history. The temples, they were not only the centers of religious activities, but many other social activities like processing of food grain also took place in the courtyards of temples, and these temples, they were dedicated to different gods and goddesses. Now we will discuss about the three other important cities, Mari, Kish and Lagash. We have discussed about Uruk and Ur in the last video. Mari was famous town. Actually, this town was destroyed by Akkadian ruler Sargon in 235 BCE. But when Amorite, they ruled the city again regained the original status which was destroyed by Akkadian. The excavation of this city started in 1933 by French archaeologists. Kish. This ancient Kish was the first town to be established after flood, and it was established by Untrunk. He was a capable and able ruler. The town reached the height of development, that is zenith of glory, between 2800 to 2370 BCE. Ku Baba was the first queen to rule over Kish. The excavation work for this city was carried by a joint group of French and Anglo-American archaeologists, and it took around a period of 9 years for excavating the remains of this city. Lagash. The famous ruler of the Lagash were Enatom II and Urukagina. No such information or not much information is available regarding the excavation of this town of Lagash. Thank you. Have a nice day. That's all we have in this chapter.